What's up, Minute Mathers? Your fearless leader, the Total Mackage, back with you again. And tonight we are going to walk you through a very, very common type of question on homework, quizzes, tests, you name it, it's going to be on there. And the devious part about it is it's just one word for the directions: graph. Okay, so that implies you've got to know exactly what to graph, how to graph it, the properties of what you're graphing, how it should look, and pretty much instantly you should know that. That's the goal with any of these, because it's minute math. You want to be able to do any problem front to back. I mean, unless it's like some crazy thing where there's going to be a lot of canceling, a lot of algebra, like busy work, you want to be able to do it in a minute or less. That's why it's called minute math. So keeping that in mind, I'm going to show you how to do this problem in a minute. Hope you're ready. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. F of x equals negative absolute value of x plus 2 minus 4. So the first thing you always want to do in any graphing situation is you want to figure out what's the parent function, because then you know what the thing should at least look like. Okay, so absolute value of x is the parent function. It's the simplest kind of this function, and it just looks like a v. Okay, set with that point of the v at the origin, and that's going to be important to know. So first thing, we see that negative. We know that that's an upside down flip, or as they like to say in the textbook, a vertical reflection over the x-axis. So next, we want to see, well, where the heck does this thing move? Because anything added or subtracted to the function is going to move it somewhere. So we start left to right. With the plus 2 on the inside, that means it's going to be the opposite of what we think. We think, oh, plus 2 means it's going to move right 2. No, it's going to move left 2, because anything on the inside of a function is the opposite of what we think, and it's horizontal, by the way. Next up, finally, we got the minus 4 in the back of the absolute value bars. It's outside. That means it's vertical. That means it's exactly what we expect it to be. So minus 4 should mean down 4, and that's exactly what happens. So based on that, if we combine all three together, the negative, the plus 2 on the inside, and the minus 4 on the outside, those are our three transformations. It should be upside down, left 2, down 4. And as you can see in this big final graph with both the parent function and the f of x graph, you'll see parent function looking nice and normal, and the guy we want, upside down, left 2, down 4.